My School Online is super easy and fun to do. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Let's do this!
First, log into your student portal. Click on the My School Online button.
Second, check out the to-do list on the MSO dashboard. This is where you'll see the day's assignments and your schedule for the day.
Click here to connect with your teachers live daily. Third, follow the class schedule. This is where you can work on your class assignments. Remember to connect with your teacher live so your attendance can be taken.
This is going to be awesome! More cool stuff at reopening.dateschools.net.